get in the course. Somebody puts you in there just because they can doesn't mean they should. I better watch it. I think this is loose.
I don't know.
We hope not. Include. So include tutu.
And I wrote that on here. I'm just looking. Just
Include the tutu.
the tutu. And then I hit submit.
And you put submit. Hey, guess what, Dr. Shaw? She's going to click refresh, and then that file's going to load up. She's not even going to get off that screen.
I was doing it the long way yesterday.
He's going back to courses and going back to export. We've all learned a ton through this whole process. So I think now I just want more money to help you admin the Blackboard thing. And if we make it through this semester, look, we ain't even hiring nobody.
I tell you what, I'm giving you half of everything I'm getting to do that.
Okay, well, your salary's way more than mine. So.
You know how much I'm getting to do that?
Yeah, but that falls under your domain. It didn't fall to my domain.
Okay, so let's do this. So my workload went from 100% to 110%. So I'll give you that extra 5%.
Yeah.
So you stay a couple extra hours.
So my workload went from 100% to about 175%.
Okay, yeah.
That should be
And
one
she
of my
made her
last ones.
She made her archive.
I'm not yet either.
She made an archive done folder so that we'll
They'll
have all
all
them.
be in
Yeah, so we'll need to send them ones that we did yesterday. We'll need to send them to her so she can put them in that folder and then move them. Then y'all can put them wherever y'all have access to them.
I've only got the one, and you've got one.
Yeah.
But yours
No.
is open.
No, you may have two, because we did the accounting and the high school math.
Oh, it's out through.
Yeah, that high school on the Midlands campus. No, that was already done.
Is that what's right? It worked.
That's true. That's true. She's making good notes. We hope we never have to do this again. But if we do, Sarah's making excellent notes.
And I got this video going. I'm recording everything I'm doing besides over here. So. Okay.
See, then we pucker every time we hit delete. Did you put that in your notes? Draw up real tight when you hit delete.
I didn't put that in my notes.
Oh.
Maybe I should have.
Now gone and no longer exists.
The course has been eliminated. Let's make that. Your course has now been eliminated. Please continue.
Please.
I'm fixing to go into colleague and self-service and start doing all of those.
Okay.
All those.
All the errors, fix to change them. You know, like when you have an error in Colleague, when you try to do something you can't, it pops up that little error message instead of thing. I'm going to change all of them. I've learned how to do it. What were you thinking? Back up. That will never work. Sorry, try again.
Sean, there's a better way. Don't click your refresh right there.
Sean, look for refresh on the screen. She's like, y'all need to shut up.
No, you don't bother me.
I'm focusing. She has little kids, so she's good at just blocking out all those sounds of nonsense. Only thing she likes in red. Red's my favorite color, but
It just happened to be the pen that I chose.
that's what she thinks about this deal here. Is it's, she don't like this. I like this one fish, two fish.
My little boy's handprints. They did it in daycare.
That's good though. That was pretty good. I reserved the swim place Sunday afternoon, or Sunday evening
The community center?
for my little Sunday school class for our back to school bash. We try to do something.
Back to school splash.
We'll do a back to school splash instead of our back to school bash that we usually do something fun with them the weekend before school starts. I try to. And we talk about doing something every year big, but we usually just end up doing something small. So this year I thought ahead. And so we're going to go and we're going to order pizza, and I'm going to invite them to come. They can bring their parents if they want. Little Furman. Okay. Dr. Sharp, why is that next one red? Why does it have a red X? Because it's not available.